up. Gitna. Asinta sa 3. Bang! And a bounce pass there. Ito! Pilipino win! Nag-back din na to! Number 12. Ang gandang pass. Oh, patok yan. Kaya number 15. Number 2. Nagmamadali. Side step. May sakin naliwa mga idol. And that's a back pass back there. Number 12. At then mo. Open na open. Ganda ng pagkakapik mga idolo. 10 seconds to shoot. Sa gilid. 1. Open to people pa. Sa 3. Nothing but the net. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Region 1 Athletic Association para sa laban ng La Union at Dagupan. It's a jump ball mga idol. Stolen by number 4 for Team La Union. Stop, pull up J. Manny! And here you go at the middle to number 4. Ball. Fade away shot. It's fake and fire. And there's a whistle. And yung dalawang prito di pumasok para si Team La Union. And here you go, Team Dagupan. Number 2 holding the ball. Dribble attacking the rim. Lays it up. Yes, sir! Number 12 for Team La Union and attacking the rim. Pass back. Pull up J at the mid-range. Basket for 2. And long pass. Pull up J. Mari-rebound dito na number 0 ng Dagupan. Nagmamadali 1 versus 2. Side step. Lays up. Kinaliwa mga idol. And that's a basket for number 0. Ferrer. Number 12. And passes to number 4. Pass back to number 12. Pass back there number 12. At the middle. Fakes and whoa! Open na open. Ganda ng pagka. And here's for the backdoor inbound for Team Dagupan, looking for a receiver. And a miscommunication. And number 4 all alone for Team La Union. Binit-bit. And that's a... And here's Team Dagupan. Kick it outside. Attacking the basket. Fade away shot. Battle for rebound and a putback shot. 0. Magmamadali. Didiskarte. Cross pass to the middle. Oop! Na-recover. Gandang pasa. Gandang tira and the finish. Basket for 2. Number 3.
8-all.
And that's all. Ties the game. Tie game tayo mga idol. And this Team La Union nakalusot. Malaki yung gumardya. Fake. Sumikot. Fires off the glass. Wala. And a battle for rebound. Pass it to the middle. Matatapikan, ma-recover. Ooh, that's the floater 1. And here's number 11 for Team Dagupan. Pass sa gilid, number 0. Pass to number 11. Bounce pass inside. Lays up and a basket and 1. Na-rebound yung sarili ng... Ooh, that's the side step.
2 points on Vidal. 12-10.
Oh, magawan na naman. Pass it there, libreng-libre. And dribbling the ball. Bounce pass. Stop for 3. Bang! Bullseye!
Number 5, La Union.
And here's the dribble. Stop. Passes to the middle. Atake ngayon. Floater, wala. Putback shot. Boop. Uy, that's the tipping coming from number 1 off the mark. And a bounce pass there. 3 versus 2. Filipino moving. Nag-bounce it at home. At the board. Mga idol. Magawa na naman dito at libreng-libre. Binit-bit plays up. Easy basket. No, Puy strong. Recover. Oh, no basket.
On the shot clock.
Oh, strong recover. Put back shot using the window. And 50 seconds to go on the shot clock. Oh, pagawan dito and a pass break to number 2. Lays up. Basket for 2. Number 18. Shooting the
Second
ball.
corner.
Bounce pass. To the middle. Ang gandang pasa dun sa loob. Kumaldag, fires off the glass. And banks it
2 points. Dagupan. Number 6.
Team La Union. To number 14. Pass it to the middle. To Pag-aagawan. Makukuha ng team Dagupan. To the middle. Fires. Bang! From dito ng team Dagupan. Number 34, atake, pinasa, gandang pasa. Uy! Too strong, recover and fires. Put back for 2. And here's number 4 for Team La Union. Number 14. Pass it to the middle. Atake, floater, and basket for 2. And here's pass to the gilid sa gitna. Sumobra pero na-recover. Attacking the rim side step. Pass it there. Libreng libre. And a cross pass there. To the middle. Sa gilid for 3. Too strong. Rebound and a pass break. Nakalusot, pinabitin, pasok yan sa banga. Pass break ngayon. Pinasa pag kinaliwa, pinaganda. And his team, Dagupan, maagawan. And you go all alone, number 12. Lays it up and easy basket. And his team, Dagupan. Number 39, pass it to Uy, ginawang alley-oop yun. Uy, binalik, wala. Put it back and a basket for 2. Bounce pass there. Pa-atake and fire. And a basket. And here at the side, fire for a 3. Bang! 3 points.
3 points.
The bounce pass. Bounce pass. Patatapikan dito. And here you go. And the easy basket again. 14 Dagupan. Number 15. Aarar titira. Pasok iyan for number 15. And rebound 14 na Union. Pass break ngayon. Number 15. Kinaliwa. Ken too strong. Malida lays up, basket for 2. Number 12, ang gandang pasa sa loob. Pasok yan kay number 15. And his team Dagupan. Again, Igil. Same spot. Wala. Rebound. Recover. Pass inside. Take. Fire. And a basket and 1.
60 seconds.
Pass. Binalik. Titira sa 3. Short, floater, too strong. Kaldag, pinasa, ang gandang pasa and the finish. And here's team Dagupan. At the middle is scoop. Ang gandang pasa dun, pick and fire. And a basket for 2. And here's team Dagupan. Kick it out. Attacking the rim. Pinasa, number 0, basket for 2. And that's Ferrer. And your team La Union, the bounce pass, number 10. Pass inside, the alley-oop pass and a finish by number 4. And your team Dagupan to number 2. Attacking the rim, side step, lays up, basket for 2. And pass it there, number 15, attacking the rim, floater. Bounce pass. Lays up, and that's basket for 2, number. Stop. Sa gitna. Asinta sa 3. Bang!
3 points, 20 points.
To the middle. Atake, number 2 lays up, and that's a basket for number 2. Take it out sa 3. Wala. Magmamadali ngayon. Side step. Wala. Hindi pumasok mga idol. Put back shot of the glass and banks it for 2. Derecho. And that's the put back 1. Sige na, open. Butata. And it's number
5 minutes.
Tinabitin pa and basket for 2. Stop, pull up Jay. Wala. Fast break na naman. Number 2. Tuloy-tuloy. Lays up and easy basket. Susubok lays up and that's good for 2. And easy basket and a nice pass from the Susubok floater. Wala. And pass break na naman. And Ferrer all alone. Nabitin. Sa 3. Bang!
3 points.
And for the inbound, bounce pass to number 15, Kakaldag. Kick it out, wide open for 3. Bang! Done. Pelipoy na step. Wala.
60 seconds remaining.
16 seconds. Put back and a basket for 2. Pass break na yun. Eksakto. Pasok yan. Naagaw pa. And sa 3. Bang! Back to back 3.
30 seconds.
13 seconds on the game clock. Number 21. And na-recover, kinaliwa, and tip in. Put back shot. Pass break. Bars, basket for 2. Bang!
3.
Susubok, babawi sa 3. Bang!
3 points.
And for the inbound. Sa 3. Strong. 1-on-1. Lays up and a basket for 2. Number 18 cross pass. Aatake sa basket. Tinira. And wala pa rin. Mare-recover. Pass inside. Nalibre. And that's easy, a basket. Number 39. Pass in the middle. Kick it out.
10 to shoot.
Pinasa pa. 10 seconds to shoot. Sa gilid.
5 to
1
shoot.
people pa. Sa 3. Bang! Nothing but. And here's the backdoor inbound. Number 12. Sa gilid. Open for 3. Bang!
3 points.
The net. Sa 3 ulit. Binawi. Wala. Magkakatapikan. Marirebaw ng Team La Union. Nabitawan ng bola. 4 versus 1. Bar, easy basket. Strong, putback shot. Oh, the friendly roll. Oh, bounce pass. Uy, gandang pass. Ano, pinabitin. Pasok yan mga idol. Number 8. Passes to the middle. Sa gilid, sa 3. Air ball, put back shot and the basket for 2. Sa 3. Wala. Number
10 to
7.
shoot.
Scoop. Ang gandang pasa nun. Basket and 1. Kick it out. Number 31. Pinasa babalik, umatake.
2 minutes.
Ubutata mga idol. And 2 minutes left on the final quarter. Fast break ngayon. Lays up, easy basket. Sa 3. Too strong. Oop. Basket and 1.
Next game, Pangasinan 1 versus Candon City.
Basket for 2.